At least 14 people have been killed and 450 others injured in walkie-talkie explosions in Lebanon, CNN reported, citing Lebanon's health ministry. The latest attack comes just a day after 12 people were killed and more than 2,800 others were wounded in a coordinated explosion of pagers in Lebanon. Dozens of ambulance crews from the Lebanese Red Cross were working to rescue and evacuate those who were wounded after walkie-talkie explosions in Lebanon on Wednesday, according to CNN report. Over 30 teams of Lebanese Red Cross emergency medics were working in southern Lebanon, the southern suburbs of Beirut and central Bekaa Valley. In addition, 50 ambulance crews were on alert in Mount Lebanon and Beirut to help in evacuation efforts. The Lebanese Civil Defense said it was working to contain fires in 60 houses and shops that started after the walkie-talkies exploding, including one in a lithium battery shop. As many as 15 cars and dozens of motorcycles caught fire and 2 fingerprint devices in the Nebatia Governorate, CNN reported. Also read, new wave of blasts hits Lebanon, Israel declares, new phase of war. Earlier on Tuesday, the Lebanese Ministry of Health directed health workers to urgently report to work considering the large number of injured people being transferred to hospitals after the pager explosions, CNN reported. Officials have also urged people to donate blood in anticipation of increased need. Hezbollah had blamed Israel for the pager explosions on Tuesday and pledged retribution. Meanwhile, Lebanese officials urged people who possess pagers to discard them. Following the pager explosions in Lebanon, Jordan on Tuesday expressed willingness to provide any medical assistance needed by the Lebanese medical sector to treat thousands of Lebanese citizens who were injured. During the telephonic conversation with Lebanese Prime Minister Najib Mikati, Jordanian Foreign Minister Ayman Safadi reiterated Jordan's support for Lebanon's security, sovereignty and stability, according to Jordan's foreign ministry statement, CNN reported. Safadi emphasized the need to stop the dangerous escalation witnessed in the region, through an immediate halt to the Israeli aggression on Gaza. Hamas blamed Israel for the explosions in Lebanon on Tuesday and expressed solidarity with Hezbollah and the Lebanese people, CNN reported. In a statement, Hamas said, "We, in the Islamic resistance movement, Hamas, strongly condemn the Zionist terrorist aggression that targeted Lebanese citizens by detonating communication devices in various areas of Lebanese territories, as well as civilian and service facilities." The Israel Defense Forces, IDF, had refused to comment on the matter on Tuesday. In its first statement after the explosions, the IDF said there were no changes in its advice to people. Story content Div, margin, 10px0.